Hi guys, I'm back here and I actually have a cough. And can you please guys pray for me because I got a cough like that. But we got the medicine and stuff. But so like I'm gonna tell you guys the story. And alam nyo guys, dati, di ba tita, totoo yung nag-tornado? Dati?
Yes, it's true.
Okay. Nasusunakulo, dati pa. And let's start the story, but please, this is sponsoring Hot Wheels. So Hot Wheels, you can buy it everywhere. Even SM, not all of those, but 7-Eleven. Malapit kami doon, so saan lang kami bumibili sa SM, mas mura. Dahil sa 7-Eleven, parang mahal. Diba, may Lego, but please don't waste your money on just toys. Please just buy it next time. And guys, can I tell you something real quick? Wala to.
No.
Wala yan. Pang baby namin yan. May baby kami at the end.
Okay na, tell the story na. Tell the story.
3, 2, 1. Let's do the story. Wait. Once upon a time, there was 3 little bears. The mommy bear said, "Hi, you bears. You guys are old now. You guys are 18, 19, 20. So you guys are gonna make your own house." Yes, mommy bear. Okay.
Let's continue tomorrow.
The second one is, first one made it out of sticks. The second one made it out of straw. They were so fast, but
What happened?
third one made it out of bricks. Didn't have so much fun and fast. And he made the bricks with what is that called? A chimney. And you guys know this. Something is wrong, right?
What is it?
Something is wrong because there's 2 little bears said, "Come play with us, Sir Barry." He said, "No, the evil wolf will come with us." There's no such thing as evil wolf. And he said, "No, they will attack you and destroy your house." And he said, "Nothing like that." And second off, there's 2 wolves. And they can transform to people at the full moon. They only transform at the full moon. They pretend to be people. Right, Tita?
Right.
And next, he said, "You want fun, brother?" And second off, a wolf came out and bush, and he blew the bear's house away and yumped him, and he ate him. Second day, he ate him and did the same thing. And the third brother survived, and he hopped, but he couldn't blow it away. So he went up the chimney, but there was fire below, so he burned and died. The end. One more story, guys.
Tomorrow naman, you're still coughing.
Have some.
Oh, what's the lesson of the story?
Do not judge people that are doing hard things.
Okay.
And guys, do you know Hot Wheels is very nice? I actually try to collect them. Too.
Okay.
And if you collect them, you can actually may lagay ng camera. I don't know why that even exists. Parang camera holder lang daw yun.
Diego, excuse me, we still have test tomorrow. Say bye-bye na.
But our test, no, is up.
Come on.
Wait.
Time to rest is already 10 o'clock.
1 to 40.
How about you?
1 to 20 lang.
What's your exam for tomorrow?
Math?
No.
Filipino?
Filipino and Christian?
Christian formation.
Okay, are you ready?
Bibigay ko na sa mga teacher ko yung drawing ko.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
No, no,
Come
no.
on, say bye-bye na.
No.
Let's bye-bye na.
One
Good
more-
night.
Guys, actually, I will reveal the drawing tomorrow.
Okay.
Pag na ako ng school.
Okay, good
Bye,
night.
guys.
Okay.
Well,
Get well, Diego.
guys, this is our that may we got everything. Ano yung pang-usok? May pang-usok kami.
What? Nebulizer.
Stabilizer. And actually, guys, you could use a comb that is yung ganun na comb para sa pusa nyo. And I'm actually smart because I learned it from YouTube. Everything I know is from YouTube.
Not
Everything I know is from YouTube. Everything I learn is from YouTube. But not the school. School is from school.
Come on, let's go na.
But guys, ako yung magsasabi sa mga parents ko dati kung ayaw ko gusto mag-school. Tapos, sinabi ko gusto ko na nun. Hindi na yun. I wanted to meet my teachers. I wanted to meet them. Everything. And because daw, at si tita, ano uli sinabi mo? Hindi daw
No,
alam mo,
come on. Bye-bye.
nakakatawa tong sinabi ko. Alam nyo guys, yung slide sa playroom, ang takot sa likod. Like pag wiggly lang yon. Hindi mahaba, tapos yung likod ko, sa grass, tapos ang takit. Tapos, yun naman fake grass when you could buy on the other Shopee. And, do you want, Hot Wheels? Or something? Do you want something? Or anything? Just come to our house, Pablo's Pulutan. I'll give you the price or something. Just, like if you want something, and subscribe if you don't. Bye, guys! Like and subscribe. Bye! You just come to Pablo's Pulutan in
Sinabi mo.
Philippines. Please, wag na pala. We don't have that much things. Bye, guys! Bye.